Hello, Christopher. Today I'm going to talk to you about French pronunciation. In other words, how to pronounce French words based on how they're spelled. I do not know French as my first language. I do not know French very well, so this may have errors in it. You have the two different sounds of E, as in le or le, the only difference being the S on the end. But of course you don't pronounce the S on the end. You've got le and le, you've got que, you've got de, you got je. The E is usually an E sound, but if it's a plural then it becomes le, or if it's accented then it becomes e. You do not pronounce the final consonant in words unless the next word begins with a vowel. So you have vous êtes, or nous avons, or je suis enfant, mon ami, or c'est un livre. You have the word et, the other word est. You have assez, vous, prêt, à, salut, and chez. The exceptions would be il, avec, and fils, which for some reason you don't pronounce the L, but you pronounce the S. When E appears at the end of a word, you do not pronounce it, but then you do pronounce the consonant that would have been at the end. Contente, vendeuse, chaise, and L. If you have an O followed by an I, it makes a wa sound. You have moi, you have toi, avoir, voiture, rasoir. If you have a U followed by an I, it makes a oui sound. Cuiller, je suis, Louis, juillet, etc. The sound that you make if you have an E and then a U is something we don't have in English. It's sort of and we have it occasionally in English, but not very often. So you have les cheveux, vendeur, déjeuner, je parlais à eux. If you have E-A-U, that's a triple vowel. E-A-U, it's just pronounced O, just like O. So you have blow, tableau, you have beaucoup. You can now pronounce the following French words or phrases. Try to do it. I don't know if you can do it. Maybe. This is oiseau. Oiseau. This one je suis allé au restaurant. This one is nous avons perdu notre chat. J'ai perdu mes chaussettes. Hi Christopher, I hope you had a good week. I suppose this is a way for me to remember the things that I learned in French this year so that I don't forget them, like you said.